Hi friends, welcome back to channel SciTech Guru. In this video, I'm going to talk about the software update details of the iQOO 7 device. So this is a question which I'm getting plenty of users are actually asking me on the iQOO 7 device today. The main reason is because second batch of iQOO 7 users are actually receiving the update, which is October security patch update, which is 1.73.2 update, as you can see. So these are the comments which I'm getting starting from today. As you can see, friends, just 12 minutes back and 1 hour ago. So 1.73.2 update. You can clearly see all the comments which I'm getting. So let me know in the comment section below in case if you have the iQOO 7 device, did you get the update or not in your device? So the iQOO 7 users, they started to receive the update I think 5 days back. So they will try to release this update in the batch wise every time. So I will be the last person to get this update, which is 1.73.2, and let me know in the comment section below, friends, how many of you got the 1.73.2 update today. So after seeing all this kind of comments, so I thought of asking you all, just letting you know that update is coming, and try to check the update, friends, don't forget, and let me know in the comment section below, please. So how many of you got the update today itself? So as I said, to receive this update, we need to wait for minimum, like I think close to 10 days of time it actually takes to get the updates in this device, in the iQOO 7 device. So let's see, friends, how long again I need to wait. And as usual, I will be the last person will be getting the 1.73.2 update, which I cannot do anything. Which I have been, same thing happened for the past 4 to 5 months as well. So it's not all the users will get at same time. So it's kind of batches wise. So we need to wait for a long time to get this update. Sometimes it takes 10 days, sometimes 15 days, sometimes even 1 month as well. So we need to be very patient in getting this update. I did understand later on after using this device, but let me know in the comment section below, friends, how many of you got the 1.73.2 update and what are the changes you felt in this update. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries on this latest update details or any other iQOO 7 smartphone, make sure to check the playlist for more details. The playlist will solve all the queries on the iQOO 7 device. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.